Hi, welcome back to Strawberry Jam Toys. Today's lesson we are learning baby animal names. A baby panda is called a cub. A baby emu is called a chick. A baby cow is called a calf. A baby duck is called a duckling. A baby gorilla is called an infant. A baby cheetah is called a cub. A baby elephant is called a calf. A baby donkey is called a foal. A baby alligator is called a hatchling. A baby ostrich is called a chick. A baby horse is called a foal. A baby polar bear is called a cub. A baby giraffe is called a calf. A baby turtle is called a hatchling. A baby stingray is called a pup. A baby sheep is called a lamb. A baby rabbit is called a kitten. A baby chicken is called a chick. A baby reindeer is called a calf. A baby tiger is called a cub. A baby monkey is called an infant. A baby platypus is called a hatchling. A baby dolphin is called a calf. A baby crocodile is called a hatchling. A baby wolf is called a pup. A baby brown bear is called a cub. A baby hippopotamus is called a calf. A baby goat is called a kid. A baby seal is called a pup. A baby pig is called a piglet. A baby zebra is called a foal. A baby penguin is called a chick. A baby shark is called a pup. A baby lion is called a cub. A baby whale is called a calf. A baby dog is called a puppy. A baby spider is called a spiderling. A baby manatee is called a calf. A baby rhinoceros is called a calf. A baby walrus is called a calf. We hope you had fun learning, and we will see you at the next lesson.